It is a bit difficult to access the GPIO pin on the Raspberry Pi 400. By using Megahead base, I can easily make the connections. For this video, I will try to program and control the stepper motor. I use an MDD3A driver motor and a NEMA stepper motor. Connect pins M1A, M1B, M2A and M2B to GPIO 18, 17, 27 and 22. Don't forget to connect ground to ground. For stepper motors, starting from the blue, yellow, green and red wires, connect to terminals M1A, M1B, M2A and M2B. I use a 3-cell LiPo battery as a power supply. Make sure you have installed the Blinka library, and to program the stepper motor, I use Adafruit CircuitPython motor library. You can use the code example I shared on the Cytron tutorial page, save and run. This code example will rotate a stepper motor clockwise and counterclockwise with 3 methods: single, double and interleave. That's all for today. Please like and follow. Thank you.